whoever does vlogs, I want to say I commend you. I've been trying to create a day in the life video for like the past, I'm gonna say 2-3 weeks, but I just kept forgetting to like record it myself. I guess I was really busy, but so yeah, I was just like, okay, let's make it like a week in a life video. And then I would realize, I was like, these clips are way too short. So, you know, this is just like a little chit chat, you know, what do you want to call it? A life lately video. So I remember when I had my favorite business owners that I followed online, and I was always wondering, like, okay, like, you know, what does a day in their life look like? And that's where this idea came from. So the first thing I usually do is, you know, I wake up and then I take a walk and do all those other things in the morning time, like brush your teeth, all that stuff. But I usually have about 2 hours to just like get my head straight for the day. So from 7 to 9, I'm walking, eating, and, you know, just relaxing. 9 to 12 is when I start my focus hours. 12 p.m. is usually when my brain starts turning into mush, honestly, so I'll take a break, maybe take a nap, maybe eat a snack. Alright, so right now we are in the second stretch of the day, so that is the 1 to 4 o'clock 3-hour time slot that I have blocked off. Now, honestly, tasks on this part of the day vary. Sometimes I'm like doing client calls, sometimes I'm like updating my website, but most of the time I'm either recording or editing, creating some type of content. So today, what I have to do is I have to edit some videos for some clients. All right, so I have all my things here, and I'm actually going to go work outside because, you know, I just like a change of scenery sometimes because it's really hard to work in the house, especially when you have a really busy week. So yeah. So yeah, a lot of my days are pretty redundant. Like I have the same schedule for every day, but the tasks are different for each day, which, you know, I really like because I don't like doing the same thing every single day. Alright, so it's Thursday, and right now I am creating a website for my new membership program that's coming out. I did not mean to wait this long to, you know, finish this, but I had a whole bunch of client work and other things that needed to be completed before this. So yeah, I'm gonna try to make a quick page, nothing too serious, just to like put it out there. So honestly, lately, the only time I've been able to like really get outside of the house has been like the weekend. And on the weekends, I just spend time with family, you know, go to the grocery store, stuff like that, just to get out the house. But, you know, this specific weekend, I was going with my mom and her husband to Houston, where my family lives, and they were going. So I was just like, you know what? I'm gonna take my work and I'm gonna go with y'all. One thing I can say about my family is like we are very creative and we have like a lot of entrepreneurial people. So there's always a desk at somebody's house. My little cousin right there, she was just making beats on the computer and looking at my YouTube channel. So that was interesting.
Hey friends, welcome to the Ajay Effect podcast. I'm Tupe and I'm...
What's up, bro? What's up? I'm ready.
You gonna open the dumb door? You gonna let me sit out here like a fool?
I don't know how to open up the door. You sick?
You don't even know how to open up the door.
Well, I barely know how to ride this car.
Open the door.
I don't know.
Open the door. I got it.
Wait, no,
I got it.
I put the mirrors in.
I got it. Just stop moving the door. What are you doing? Stop pressing buttons. I got it.
Well, yeah, that's my cousin right here. He does photography. I do videography, you know, so match made in heaven, you know?
I do match made in heaven, okay. I do a little bit of video here and there.
We got a sunroof?
Yes, we have a sunroof. I used to drive this car.
I don't know. Yeah, I got this car. I don't know what's going on. I
You don't even know how to drive this much.
I know how to drive it. That's it. I know how to put it in drive. I had to figure out how to put it in park. Like,
yeah, so this is park.
It's a button, like.
Yeah, if you want to shift the gears, you hold the brake, obviously. You hold this side and you press down, and it goes straight to drive.
Yeah, I figured that out.
Yeah, of course, obviously.
Yeah.
I probably took like 10 minutes to do it. Huh?
All right, we're gonna charge. No, it took me like 5 bucks. We're gonna charge it. My phone is dying. But yeah, we're gonna do some content today. We're gonna take some photos.
So,
are we still going to the car meet?
Yeah, it's at 4 to 7 today.
All right, I gotta get something.
You ever about to go get something too? Cause you just panicking, not knowing where she's going. She's freaking. I don't know where I'm going. I'm about to cry.
I was like, I'm gonna cry. We'll cry immediately.
All right, boom,
all right.
So you're all set.
So one of my cousin's favorite things to do is go to these car shows. He goes to them in like any state that he can. So, you know, I just tagged along, and I even took a few pictures myself because I barely honestly use my camera for fun, and it's always for work. So this was nice. So with being a full-time sort of like creative business owner, I've really found like within the past, honestly, year or so, because I've been full-time for about 2 or 3 years now, but it's really important to like, you know, make time for like friends and family and not be working every single moment of every single day. So, you know, I try as much as possible. Does it always work? Probably not, but you know, all we can do is try. So what we're doing now is we are taking a few photos before I go home. We do this almost every time we get together because, you know, I'm a videographer, video editor, he's a photographer, so of course we're going to take photos. There's only like a few people I actually feel comfortable with to take my photos because, contrary to belief of what people usually think, I'm actually very awkward in front of the camera. So there's only a few people who can like really capture what I guess my essence, and I actually feel comfortable with it. So yeah, here are a few of the photos that we actually took. And yeah, he was definitely tired of me because I can be very stiff sometimes when taking photos. But we got it done. So yeah, I know this isn't like my normal content that I usually do on here, but I think it's just so important to like actually document the journey and document where you are. And honestly, I usually do this on Instagram, but one of my main channels is YouTube now. So I was like, you know what, I'm gonna put something together for my YouTube channel. And yeah, just like editing this video and looking at it, it's like, you know, it's so crazy to me because, you know, my day-to-day changes, my year-to-year changes. So, you know, next year around this time, I might not even be doing any of this stuff, might be doing something completely different. But this is where I am now. So yeah, let me know if you like this type of content and if you want me to do more, and I will see you next week with a new video.